What are you doing, goofball? Are you playing? Are you playing? You want to be on camera again? Nice. You can bite. You have teeth now. Look at them two first. Welcome back, guys. As you can see behind me, carport to the horse shelter conversion is finished. I'm gonna try not to get bit over here, little one. We have the fencing up. We have the cattle panels on the fencing. I talked about that in a different video, which I will link, put it in one of the cards. We actually had a ton of footage, so I think you guys might find it interesting. No, I'm gonna get chewed on here in a minute. This went together pretty well. We only had like 2 or 3 people working on it at a time. I think grand total, it took about 10 or 15 hours, somewhere in between there. If you had 4 people working on this, you could probably get it done in 6 to 8 hours. I really don't think it would take much longer than that. Yeah, I'm definitely she's trying to get to me. What are you doing over there, goofball? I will also have materials list. I know I promised to do that on the last video, and I forgot to do it. I'm sorry about that. And a rough estimate of the cost. Prices hopefully are still going to be similar. Maybe they've even dropped. I haven't checked on the wood prices lately. We are doing laps right now. We're having all sorts of fun. She's just fun to watch sometimes. What are you doing over there? Now that the horse is cracking me up, there's another dance sequence. Not the same person. I'll have that later in the video. If you guys have enjoyed this content so far, please hit the like button, okay? That would be really helpful to the channel. Thank you so much. Okay, quick disclaimer here, guys. We are not experts. We're not professionals. This was something that we came up with because we needed a horse shelter really as quickly as possible without spending a ton of money on it. Rough estimate, this was about $1,500. If you do decide to do something like this, keep in mind it's at your own risk, okay? We're not professionals. We're not trying to give you any kind of strict advice. There are many, many, many ways to do this. Do your research. Make sure to keep yourself safe when you're working on this type of thing, you know. Use safety equipment. I wouldn't recommend doing this by yourself. You know, have somebody else there in the event that something does happen so that they can at least call for help. It's not real pretty, but it is done. Now we just got to get the panels set up for the run out here, and then we got to move the horses. Mom, Dad, for the camera. You guys are wondering, we're chaining it on the top and the bottom to the building. If you found this helpful, this video series helpful, again, please give it a like, consider subscribing. I hope you found this useful, that it gave you a bunch of ideas. She keeps She keeps playing. I'm sorry, it's very distracting. She's very playful. Ah, to be young. Young and full of energy. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have more video of the horses here soon, just to give you updates on them. As you can see, they're doing pretty well, and you're full of yourself. They're pretty happy with being able to be out of the rain. We are planning on building more of these buildings. We're gonna do them slightly different, so we probably will record that. I will try to get it into one video though, instead of having to break it up over 4 videos. Let me know if you liked them. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Suggestions on how this could be done easier or more cost effective or just faster, whatever. The building's held up really well. I'm pretty happy with it so far. And she's trying to eat the building now. All right, guys, have a safe one. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.